pumps, reviews, tutorials video. I'm just going to show you how to spin the front of a pump. When you're putting a spa pump in this case, we're replacing a spa pump. You can see here that the suction is in the front, but the outlet is coming out the side here. These actually can be spun around just 90 degrees, so the outlet is here, or they can go 180 degrees, so the outlet is coming down. You see this AquaFlow motor here has been supplied with a fitting coming out the top. So all we need to do, there's 4 bolts here that need to be undone. That's the 4th one there I've just taken out. You slip those out, and then the whole motor assembly, would you believe, just spins around like that. And this all stays in alignment with your seal and your prop and everything else. It's all fine. I'm just gonna might have to use 2 hands to pop that back up. It's just a little bit tight, of course, where the seal is. So just hang on, I'll pop that up. I need 2 hands. People who want to tell me to stick to using a tripod, I am on site and just showing you this because I can, and it's nice and quick and easy. Not really appropriate to set up a tripod and make it into a studio while I'm on the customer's house. So there we go, we do up those. They must be done up with a spanner. There's a few vibrations here, and that is turned around. You don't have to worry about the seal or the bearing or anything like that. It's all fine. You can spin it to whatever direction you like, and that now is the same as that guy, so it's going to fit exactly what we want. So there's 4 bolts just got to do up, and how tight? Well, it's an 8mm spanner for starters. What you need to know, how tight? Well, about that tight is all you need. It's going into plastic. You don't want to crack it. And there's no way that's ever going to vibrate out, so just do all 4 up and she's ready to run. That's all done. Those with a keen eye, I'll notice that I've got a SpaNet motor here that I'm swapping out with an AquaFlow. Why am I doing that? Well, the LX and the SpaNet, they're coming out of China, and the shaft in them particularly I find is really prone to rusting. I'll put up a couple of shots here of a couple of different motors where the shaft is supposed to be flat right the way along, has divoted right in and meant that the pumps had to be replaced. I have not found this with these guys. Much better quality steel. I still could get these rusting, but we're talking 8 to 10, 12, 15 years on these guys, and I've been replacing these 3 to 5 years with that shaft issue. If you've got a spa pump, definitely be taking your panels off and having a look underneath to make sure that it's not dripping. If it's dripping, get the seal fixed or it will destroy the pump. But if you're wanting after one of these AquaFlows in Australia or New Zealand, look up Nillumbik PoolnSpa service because I sell these at a good price and I post them out wherever. But you can replace the SpaNet, the LX, all those guys. They do cost more. Absolutely, they cost more, but you get more. So if you're after one of those, look me up and I'll be able to send one out to you.